Weapons.
Where you guys at?
I don't know.
I didn't get the item from the dude. Do I need to talk to him to get it?
Which item?
Was that a bounty?
Yeah.
Oh.
You have to complete 5 bounties for each act to get the chest.
My bad.
An artifact lies in the ruins of Seshron. I think you.
So if you ever do bounties by yourself, just join a group, and each person usually does their own bounty,
Okay.
and it goes by a lot faster.
Be right back. I have to get something to clean something up. I'll be right back.
Why are you sad?
Who?
You.
I'm not sad.
Oh.
Alright. What's up?
I've done 3 of the bounties so far.
I zoned in at the wrong time.
There's still 5 more to do.
Not ready yet.
Oh, hello, Goblin.
My hatred is too low.
If you teleport to me, there's a Goblin.
Alright.
You should have loot.
I've become more formidable.
I look pretty now.
You got yourself a nice transmog.
Look at me.
You look pretty, Brett, but you're getting attacked.
I don't believe you.
I'm still waiting.
Wasn't even loot here.
Was there loot? Loot up there, Brett? Or there is.
Oh no.
Hey, is one more done?
Oh, you found a friend as well!
Of course I did.
I was afraid we wouldn't have both found friends.
That's not what I wanted to do. I'm just gonna revive in town. Are you guys still in there?
I am not. I'm doing a different one. I'm doing the last one for this bounty. To show
Alright.
you what you get.
I see that. Hell turned on me.
I've become stronger.
Okay. So now go back to base.
Okay.
I need to go back.
Okay.
And back to this
I've
guy.
become more formidable.
Get
Yeah.
your stuff. You open it and you get lots of stuff.
Goodness.
There's always one legendary in there.
Oh my god.
They're all legendary.
Yeah, that's what I got too. Wow. I gotta learn all these plans really quick.
We got lots of plans.
An ally has joined my party, but my foes gain strength.
Yeah, legendary hand crossbow. You want it?
Sure. I'll take it.
Somebody joined me.
Oh, that's my friend.
Is okay.
I can't pick it up because it belongs to somebody else.
Ah. Suffer.
Hey, Foxy the Pirate of Pirates, thank you for that follow, man. Hopefully I got that right.
Hello. Not what I got, but it sure is a lot.
Still gotta open my other one.
I am pretty.
Oh, thank you for telling me about that, Runeshank. I completely forgot.
Did you forget?
Forgot to select my 4th passive.
Oh, you should do that.
So helpful, Brett.
I try to be. Yeah.
Well, a buddy of mine told me that. I was like, oh yeah, I need to do that. Thank you, Runeshank.
You should do that.
You what? Hey, Brett, you should totally do it too.
I already did. I did it ages ago. Huzzah!
Alright, where do we go to now?
Mm. Oh, that look cool. Look at me.
You do look cool. You look awesome, sir.
I can't do that.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Oh my god. What was that?
No. So apparently there's a man called the Blinded Guard, and it says, I can't see anything. I think I know why he can't see anything. Turns out if he had checked his name tag, he would know he's blinded. Silly bitch. Rock! Rock! Friend!
So what do you guys want to do now? Do
Damn.
more...
That is up to you guys.
I guess we can do more riffs.
Can we
Do more riffs.
Or... Yeah, let's do more riffs, try and get better gear, and then we can progress in the story, I guess.
Okay. I changed the color of my dye to make it look, or my armor, to make it look like I'm wearing nothing.
I saw that, I was like, that's pretty cool, actually.
That's vanishing dye.
Yeah, let me work on some Well, should I really transmog my stuff? Because eventually I'm going to be getting better stuff, so...
To hell with it, you have enough money.
True.
But I did. I am gold.
I have opened the portal to hell.
Portal to hell! I grow stronger.
On my way to hell!
Please enjoy your stay.
Hey!
Oh yeah, click that.
Click what? I'm not in here yet.
There's things called pools of reflection that give you bonus experience.
Oh, okay.
Even though your max level experience is still good.
Especially for the Paragon levels and stuff.
The
Save me!
paragons. Yeah. Because for each point of paragon that you get,